Over the years, the user interface design layer of the product has become an integral component for driving its success, while technology and features have become supportive. At Claris, we have learned the secret mix of design and technology for shaping a well-balanced product and an exemplary product experience. Quickheal, India's leading IT security product company, approached us for revamping their Android-based mobile security solution. The goals were pretty clear in their head: increase conversion and retention rate by 50%, reduce IT support call volumes by 25%, and introduce a cloud-based service for managing their mobile security solution. We handpicked a talented team of designers for creating an exemplary product experience through our time-tested methodology of research, design and evaluation.
Our existing app is doing well on Android Marketplace. It's got decent transaction in terms of number of downloads as well as user ratings. We have been getting good reviews. Most of our users have rated this fairly high as compared to our competitor. We are offering the product in freemium model, free for first few weeks and then paid for extended use. Conversion to paid license was very low. We compete with large multinationals in this product category, and it's very important for us to keep pace with the latest user interface of interacting with Android devices. In emerging markets, we have seen huge growth in younger population moving towards smartphones. We wanted to appeal them through sleeker and contemporary design language.
We always kick off the engagement with a detailed project plan. At the start of the design process, we spend some time soaking into the product domain, understanding the USP of the product, the competitive landscape, features and functionality. Tools and techniques like SWOT analysis, DELO analysis, and mind mapping help us get a 360-degree view of the product ecosystem.
So as a first step, we thought it would be interesting to know how the end users would perceive the existing application. We wanted to study their pain points, understand their stated as well as unstated goals, and get some other insights that would help us in creating a differentiated product offering. We asked a set of users and non-users to participate in the usability test. We observed their behavior while performing primary tasks like scanning or blocking a call or a message. We also asked them to rate their experience with the various features that the product offered. Through this exercise, our goal was to understand how the product fared in terms of feature discoverability, learnability, ease of use, and error-free usage.
Based on some of our research findings, our design goal focused on creating a user experience that was more consumer-centric than geekish.
Our initial concept was a tabbed, swipe-based paradigm where users could quickly skim through all the features and functionality. Early prototyping and involvement with stakeholders and users at the right junctures helped us evolve the product design to take its final shape.
While the wireframing was in progress, we started on creating a visual language for the application. We created a few mood boards with different flavors for colors, iconography, typography, and the grid structure. Based on some of the keywords derived from the mood boards, we basically created two concepts. One was more modern and contemporary, using high contrast and a dark color combination, while the other was bright, friendly, and personalized with pastel shades and rounded shapes.
At Claris, we get the designs reviewed by the senior designers. These reviews really help us build our thought process and help uncover the blind spots.
So during the peer review, one of the key feedbacks shared was to declutter the dashboard. It was suggested that we structure the information at two levels. Instead of going for a content-oriented structure, we go ahead with a task-based model.
We presented the final design mockups to all the key stakeholders, product managers, business owners, technical and support team. All the stakeholders could see the shape of the product before writing a single line of code. We evaluated the design with about 10 users, and the results endorsed our design approach. One of the users quoted, "It's so simple that anybody could use it. You don't have to be a mobile geek to stop people spamming you."
We really like the new design by Claris. It has simplified the user task and settings. The new design looks very fresh and consumable. Claris has really reshaped our product very well. We are very happy with the new outcome.